Feeling overwhelmed? Used to trying on 20 bras only for one of them to fit? This video will help you find the right bra at Understance. Step 1. Use the size calculator. If you've never shopped with us before, or have only shopped at stores that carry up to Triple D, start the quick size check. We encourage remeasuring every 6 months, or especially when your body has gone through some changes. Your calculator results may be surprisingly different from what you normally wear, but if you're not 100% happy with your current bra, give the new size a try. Many fit issues like slipping shoulder straps, a shifty band, and insufficient lift can be resolved by wearing the right size. If you are uncertain on which size fits you best, purchase 2 or 3 sizes and return for free what doesn't fit. Step 2. Take the style quiz. The style quiz asks you 6 questions and makes up to 3 recommendations. If it returns no results, it means we currently don't have something that 100% fits your needs. Try tweaking your answers about padding or coverage level to get more results. If you're not sure how to answer the quiz questions, spend 5 minutes on bra anatomy to learn the fundamentals of breast shape. Step 3. Use the filters and comparison tool. If you're more of an advanced bra shopper and know exactly what you want, use the filters instead of our style quiz. Our bras are organized by amount of coverage, how deep the cups run, amount of padding, underwear width, how high the center gore sits, how high the wire comes up on the sides, and how the cups are constructed. Also, you can use our comparison tool to look at up to 3 bras side by side. First, find the bras you're interested in and check off the Compare box. Then, click the Compare button that pops up at the bottom of your screen. Now, you can view the bras side by side in terms of price, sizes, reviews, product specifics, etc. Step 4. Set up a virtual fitting. If you're still not feeling confident with the bra lottery, schedule a virtual fitting. It's a 20-minute one-on-one Zoom session with a fit specialist. We don't record the session, and you don't have to be on camera, although you can if you are fully comfortable with it. Step 5. Purchase your bra. When you're ready to make a purchase, add the bras to your cart. Click Checkout, and your order will soon be on its way. Step 6. Do a fit check. Once you receive your bras, do a fit check. Here are 5 objective standards of a technically perfect fit that most bra fitters agree on. Number 1. Your bra band should be parallel to the floor. Number 2. When you bend to the side, your shoulder straps should stay put. Number 3. Your breasts should be contained in the cups, with no overflow, gapping, or empty space anywhere. Number 4. The underwire should be contouring and supporting your breast tissue, not sitting on top of it and damaging it. Number 5. The center gore, where the underwire meets in the middle, should lightly touch your sternum and separate your breasts, but not poke it or cause any irritation. Exceptions include when you have very centerfold breasts that are painful to separate when supported, when you have an inverted sternum, when you have symastia, and when you're wearing a wireless bra. But this stage is more art than science. You are the person wearing the bra, and no one else can feel what you feel. If the bra checks all 5 boxes, but feels stiff and punishing, don't settle for it. If the bra doesn't quite check all 5 boxes, but you feel comfortable and supported, it's completely fine to wear it. Step 7. Consult the troubleshooting guide. If your purchase didn't quite work out, use our troubleshooting guide for next steps. We list common fit issues that have to do with the band, underwire, cups, and straps, and what to do about them. If you are looking for something that falls outside of this guide, schedule another virtual fitting. We rarely miss the mark with 2 sessions. If we don't yet carry what you need, write to us at hello@understance.com or tell us in a virtual fitting. We collect these requests and use them to create new products. Step 8. Return what didn't fit. If needed, head to our return portal to generate a prepaid shipping label. Tape it to the box and drop it off at USPS or Canada Post. Returns are 30 days from day of delivery and free of charge. It will take 30 to 40 days for us to process the refund. Is this starting to feel like a part-time job? The truth is, bra fitting is complicated. But it's not that complicated. At first, it takes some time to learn about your sizing and shape and 1 to 3 rounds of purchases to really figure it out. But once you've nailed it, you'll know exactly what you want and need, and bra shopping becomes a walk in the park. Ultimately, bras are foundational. It's the first thing you wear every day, and it sits closer to you than any other item of clothing. So it's worth your time getting it right.